Hey guys, I'm gonna be drawing again today. I don't know where my pencil is. Except here, I'm gonna have to draw a pen. I suck at. So, there's draw. Sorry for the moment of silence. I'm just trying to focus. This is the pencil I'm gonna be using for a shirt. Ruby red. That's what it looks like. And after this, I gotta do the head. Let's get to drawing. Is this skin tone? I don't know. We gotta check. It looks like skin tone, so I used it, but yeah, sorry for a moment of silence. I'm trying to focus. I just have this silent moment when I'm recording, so sorry for that. That's how it looks so far. That's how it looks so far. Move like an animal. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. When you want to make me cry. Can anybody else do this? My mom says it's impossible. Yeah. I don't know why. It is possible. She said it's impossible. Well, if it's impossible, how can I do it? Move like an animal. Mm-hmm. Bye-bye. That's how it looks. If you guys calm it down. And describe me to you, I'll try and guess you. This is what